Welcome to my channel, and I got a box. So we're gonna open it up, see what's inside. Cut like butter, cut like butter. Now it comes like butter. Let's see what's inside this box. Woo, it's Christmas time. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay. Alright. Bubble wrap. And another box. This is a selfie light ring. That's what it is. This goes on to your phone. Any phone that you may have, and that's what this goes on to. Now, what this is good for is when you want to get ahead and take a picture of yourself. But it's dark, and you need that brightness just to show that glamorous side of you. So you can put it on Instagram and stuff. And that's what this is for right here. And I am going to go into detail with this because I was not trying to go get the ones with batteries. This one is rechargeable. So then this way you can recharge it through any device that you may have and then have your light to show your glamour at any time. And this also works on tabs. So we'll be back on the detail of the selfie ring. Okay, I'm gonna hook the light up here with the iPad and see how it records or films, and to see if it's brighter. That's why I have it a little darker in here. Okay, let's see. Okay, so if you want to have it on an iPad or a tablet, you're doing a selfie, this is why I have it pretty dark, because this light is pretty bright. You're going to have this opening in the ring towards you, so that this way, when you take that selfie picture, then you can get ahead and have that light towards you. And this is how it would look in the back, around the camera, up close to the edge, so it's on. Tablet, you would just have that light facing down or wherever you're filming. Do come with batteries or rechargeable. I think rechargeable is best. Okay, so let's see the light functions. Okay, it's off. Okay, it's on. It's brighter, that's 2. It gets brighter, 3. And if you hold it, it strobes. So it's like 4 functions. At least this one is. So, if you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want us to be a honeybee. Holler in them comments because you know I'll holler back. Follow me on Instagram, social media.